Today we're putting up a cheap clone versus a niche summertime legend. Rayhaan Aquatica versus Creed Virgin Island Water Legend. Can a $40 clone really replace a $400 niche summertime classic? Is Creed still untouchable? We're going to find out. What's up, everybody? In this video here, we've got Rayhaan Aquatica going head-to-head against Creed Virgin Island Water in a full-on head-to-head battle here. And we're going to be going over the smell, the quality, the performance, the value, the compliments. We're going to be going over all of that in this video here. And most importantly, we're going to be going over, is Creed really worth that much more money than these clone fragrances that are out right now? So we're going to test out Creed Virgin Island Water first. I'm going to spray it on my hand here. I'm doing skin on tonight. This smells just like a luxury tropical vacation, the Creed Virgin Island Water does. It smells good. It's a really nice fragrance. It does smell really good. You get this super realistic like lime and like creamy coconut smell when you hit this one on the skin for the first, at least in first you do here. It's really coconutty, got a nice strong lime texture to it. It's very nice. It really reminds me of a tropical vacation. This smells expensive, it smells refined, and honestly it gives you happy vibes, me at least, because it reminds me of like going on a vacation. When I smell this, I think of like vacation, and I have a vacation coming up soon, so this will probably be going with me, or something in this wheelhouse will be. All right, so now we're going to spray this Aquatica from Rayhaan and see what's up with it. I actually hadn't smelled this yet. Good atomizer. Good start, good start. Okay, it clearly takes inspiration from the Creed Virgin Island Water DNA. I get that lime, heavy lime right off the rip. Coconut, just like the Creed Virgin Island Water. But right off the top, compared side by side, I just smelled the Creed a few minutes ago, and now I'm smelling this for the first time. They do smell similar, but just side by side, Creed smells more natural. This has a synthetic smell to it. It still smells good, don't get me wrong, but this does has a synthetic smell to it compared to the Creed Virgin Island Water that smells a little more natural. It does smell good though, there's no doubt about it. It smells good, but it, like I said, it has that synthetic side to it that does not have the same like smoothness that the Creed has. It does smell good though. That's the thing I keep going back to, is it does smell good, but it just has that little bit more of a synthetic smell, whereas the Creed is a little more natural. That's so far in the first 10 minutes of me spraying this is the major takeaway I'm getting, is the Creed just smells a little more natural than the Rayhaan Aquatica. Honestly though, in the air, if the average person was to smell the Creed versus the Rayhaan, the average person's probably not going to be able to tell that much of a difference in the two, because they are very close. It is no doubt about it. They are very close. Rayhaan Aquatica has done a great job in copying Creed on this, because it does smell a lot like the Virgin Island Water. But up close, Creed does smell smoother and more refined. But Rayhaan gets damn close for way less money. Alright folks, it's been about an hour. And this is when things get interesting. I knew it would. I knew it would. See, that's the knock with Creed, is their performance tends to not be as good as people think it should be, especially for the price point that they get out of these. So that's where, see, earlier Creed was pulling ahead of Aquatica. They were pulling ahead, race cars. Creed was ahead. But now, Aquatica is catching up, because Aquatica performs better. Aquatica right now is standing out on my hand more than the Creed is, and it's been an hour. So right off the top here, an hour in, Aquatica is outperforming Creed. So take that for what it is. Aquatica is performing better than Creed as far as how strong the smell is and how long it's going to last. The Creed still smells smoother and more refined, and this is just a smidge more synthetic, but you can smell this more than you can smell the Creed. With Creed Virgin Island Water, I've worn this a lot in the past, and I get pretty consistent like 5-6 hours out of this, especially in the heat. So it performs pretty good, I think. I don't think it's a slouch. It's not beast mode 12-hour performer or nothing like that, but 5-6 hours isn't bad. And like I said, you can always throw a couple sprays on throughout the day and get it smelling fresh as a daisy again. So Creed Virgin Island Water is pretty solid for about 5 or 6 hours. And then after that, you might want to think about putting a little more on just to get fresh as a daisy again. But 5 or 6 hours is a pretty good mark. Now, I haven't worn Rayhaan for a real long time. I'm only about an hour and a half in right now. But just the first hour and a half, it smells and is projecting more than the Creed is. So I would have to guess that this is going to last longer in general than a Creed would, or it's going to not sit as close to the skin in 5 or 6 hours as much as the Creed Virgin Island Water is. This Rayhaan Aquatica is probably going to be projecting a little more than the Creed is, just off the rip here. But this scent profile in general is not something that is built to last for a long time. It doesn't matter who's making it. It's just not going to be a beast mode performer for most fragrance lines. But Aquatica is outperforming Creed for sure on this. Both these fragrances are warm weather, summertime machines. They are built for hot weather, vacations, laying in the sun, going to the club, hanging with your friends, going on vacation in the Caribbean, Bahamas, Jamaica, somewhere like that. This is that vibe. And when you wear either one of these, that's the vibe you're going to get. It's just like vacation, summertime, drinking a damn pina colada on the beach. Me at least, that's the vibe it gets me for both of them. They both smell really good. Creed gives me the more luxurious upscale vibe just because it smells more natural and more refined. And the Rayhaan Aquatica gives me more of like a youthful, energetic type vibe on this one. I could see a younger person liking the Aquatica better than the Creed just because it stands out a little more, it projects a little more, it's a little stronger, it's a little louder, not much, but a little bit. So I could see a younger person liking, hell, they'll like both of them if they have any half a brain because they both smell really good. But they're both very good fragrances. They both smell very good. Summertime machines, vacation machines, going to the Caribbean, throw me a damn spliff and a pina colada and a couple of squirts of these, one here and one here, just like, and you're going to be in there. Both these fragrances are compliment pullers because they smell similar, so they're going to both pull compliments. People love vacation-like tropical fragrances, and that's what both of these are. This is in the same line as like a Bohemian line from Goldfield and Banks. Marley Fragrances has a very nice fragrance that's in this line with these two here, and it's called Simmer Down. Check that out if you hadn't. I just did a video on it as well. Watch that video. But it's in the same line as these tropical, fruity, vacation vibe, and people love those kinds of fragrances, and that's what these are. But there's no doubt Creed gives off more of a luxury, refined vibe when you wear it. When somebody smells the Creed on it, they're going to be like, oh man, that smells really nice. But there's no doubt Creed has pulled off the luxury, expensive smell here. It smells more refined. Rayhaan, if somebody smells the Rayhaan on you, they're going to be like, oh, they smell really nice. But when somebody smells the Creed on you, I think they're going to be more inclined to be like, oh, they smell really nice and that smells expensive. Because you can tell when something smells expensive. And this does smell more expensive, the Creed Virgin Island Water. So this brings us to the big question. Is Creed Virgin Island Water worth all the extra money that it gets? Or is Rayhaan Aquatica busting Creed upside the head for $40 and getting about the same thing out of it? It's hard to say. In my mind, if money's not an issue for you, Creed absolutely smells better than Rayhaan Aquatica. It just does. It smells more expensive, it smells more refined, it smells smoother, more natural. It just does. That's just a fact. There's definitely a quality difference in the two. Creed just smells better. It smells more refined and smells more natural. But Rayhaan Aquatica, it gets really close to Virgin Island water here for a fraction of the price. I mean, it's like $40 compared to Creed. You can get it less than $400, but you can pay $400 for it too, though. So I mean, Rayhaan Aquatica for the price, they're knocking it out of the park here. And if you're looking for something that just gets close to Creed, and I mean real close to Creed, the Rayhaan Aquatica is going to be up your alley. You're probably going to want to spend $40 on this as opposed to $300 or $400 or whatever Creed's going for online right now, or whatever sales you can get on it. It's much more than $40, I can promise you that. And for a lot of people, and I get it and I understand, that value is going to be really hard to ignore. And that makes a lot of sense. So here's my take here. If you're looking for something that is very high quality, luxury, niche, that smells very natural, tropical DNA vibe, Creed Virgin Island water. If you're looking for that same vibe, but for a lot less money, Rayhaan Aquatica. Get it. It's a good one, y'all. It's really good. I'm very surprised at how close this gets to Creed Virgin Island water. And I totally get why people would rather spend $40 on the Rayhaan Aquatica than the Creed. I get it. I understand. It makes sense because they get so close on this. So, I mean, if you're spending $40 on this Rayhaan Aquatica, don't feel bad. Just tell people it's Creed and they probably won't know the damn difference. So let me know in the comments. Would you pay the extra money for the Creed to get that more luxurious, niche, refined smell? Or are you going to say screw it and drop $40 on Rayhaan Aquatica and smell about 90% close to the original Creed Virgin Island water? I mean, I get either side of the story here, but I think I really am understanding the $40 side more than the $400 side for sure. Let me know what you think. Drop a comment. Do you have either one of these? What do you think? How close does Rayhaan come to you to the Creed? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any recommendations for other fragrances to try out, let me know. Please like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. It means a lot to me. And I've got a lot of videos coming out soon. I'm about to really crank up the Clone Wars. It's going to be like Star Wars up in here. We're going to have the Clone Wars going on. And I'm looking forward to doing it because I really enjoyed this video here just now. Rayhaan, they are a very good fragrance for the money. Let me know what you think. And I'll see y'all real soon on the next video. Thanks for watching.